In this video, I'm going to show you how to book partial profit in cTrader. Now first, you want to go to the top left on your chart, click on this button, and then click on Trade Watch. Now this will open up this bottom panel where you want to go to positions, and you want to find your position where you want to book your partial profit. So for example, here I have 5 lots of Bitcoin USD. I can just click on the settings button, and it's going to open up the modify position button. Now here, of course, I could go and double click on that as well, or I could also right click and click on modify position. And then in here, I can adjust the volume. So for example, let's say I want to do, like, for example, close 2 lots of these 3. I can just type in, for example, 2 over here, and this will close 3 BTC because the direction is buy. If I do 3 over here, this will close 2. That's exactly what I want. And of course, you could also change the direction over here if you wanna, and whenever you're happy. So this is going to close 2 in this case. You can just click on it, and as you can see, it closed 2 lots, and I've basically booked partial profit. So that's it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.